Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got the cheesiest chicken enchiladas ever. Yes, look how beautiful these enchiladas is looking, and yes, they was mighty tasty and moist. So here are a couple of products that we use. We got cheese, Mexican style cheese, sharp cheddar, black olives, green enchilada sauce, king size, corn tortillas, a rotisserie chicken, minced garlic, my special seasoning, and green onions. So we're gonna go ahead and start shredding this rotisserie chicken, and you could cook these enchiladas within an hour because you ain't got to boil no chicken, you ain't got to cook no chicken because it's already done. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the legs and the wings, and we're just gonna go ahead and shred the breast. So now after we shredded all of that chicken, we're going to go ahead and cook the chicken. We're just going to season it and marinate it and make it taste delicious and yummy. So I got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in this pan. We're going to go ahead and swirl that around, let it get hot, and get it started. Y'all, so let's go ahead and hit this grease with this garlic, and we're gonna go ahead and stir this garlic. We're gonna make sure it don't burn. Make sure your garlic don't burn because you don't want your food to be messed up because the garlic is messed up. So we're gonna stir it around, and then we're gonna add the chicken. So once the garlic is brown, we're gonna go ahead and add the shredded breast. And we're also going to add that little fat that was in the breast because this rotisserie chicken has been sitting in the refrigerator for a day and a half. So we're going to add all of that together. We're going to season it with my special seasoning and add a little bit of water. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add some onion, and we're going to also add some green onion. I love green onion. I also love onion too. I love bell peppers too, but we didn't need bell pepper for this recipe. So we're going to go ahead and stir that up and just incorporate all those onions and that meat together and get it together. Okay, so now for some work. We're going to go ahead and chop these green onions, and this is for the garnish for the top of the enchiladas. Okay, so now we're going to add some of the green enchilada sauce. I like Las Palmas. Whatever enchilada sauce you like, go ahead and use it, but I'm using the green one. I'm adding a little bit of cilantro, and I'm going to go ahead and stir it around so our meat won't be so dry. Okay, so you see how this meat is looking? It's not looking dry. It got some moisture. It's juicy. Let it go. We're going to go ahead and fry our taco shells. You just want to put them in the hot grease, flip them one time, and put it on a plate with paper towels to drain the grease. Let's start the assembly line. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add those taco shells that we fried up. We're going to add the shredded chicken mixture and some cheese and roll it up and try to squeeze as many as you can up in there. I fried 12 shells, but I only used 10. Okay, so now they're rolled. We're going to go ahead and add the enchilada sauce, the green Las Palmas, green sauce, cheese, black olives, and green onions. And then we're going to put them in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes or until you start smelling them. But you do not want the bottom of the tortillas to be crispy. I don't like it like that. So yeah, here we go. So look how these enchiladas is looking. They are juicy. They are not dry. They are just perfect. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friends and family to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.